right, February 3rd, we are on day 34 of the 75 hard challenge. All right, you can see it's almost 1300. I spent most of my morning preparing for some nutrition personal training. Two of my athletes this morning booked me for a hour-long personal training session specifically for nutrition. Anyways, I'm gonna get into my CrossFit workout for the day. Then I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna do my outdoor work, cold plunge, and all that fun stuff. Anyways, the workout today, really good looking workout. It's a descending ladder, 4-time, 15 reps of deadlifts, 225 pounds, 5 rope climbs, 12 deadlifts, 4 rope climbs, 9 deadlifts, 3, all right, and so on. So I'm gonna go do the workout. The stimulus is around 11 minutes, 8 to 11 minutes of stimulus. I'm gonna do the RX work, and we'll see where we're at. Cool? I'm gonna get into the warm up. I'll probably film everything and then run it on fast forward or something. All right, let's go. All right, general warm up done. Let's get into the specifics. All right, so we did the general warm up. We're gonna get into some workout specific progression. As I explained earlier, we're doing deadlifts. We're doing 225. So right now I got 135. I'm doing a little progression warm up with this. And I'm gonna climb the ropes a little bit before I actually get into the workout. All right, it's time to party. Here's what we're doing. We've already explained it. Here we go. I'm just gonna let this run. And it starts in 10 seconds. Alright, like usual, banger of a workout. Took me 10 minutes, 6 seconds. I love it. I'm gonna do a little cool down stretching, figure out what that means in a second, and then we'll go home. Here, check. Hang on. All right, so it's 13:26 now. Pretty successful day already. Did some personal training, nutrition, went fantastic. This workout was great, really enjoyed it. I'm gonna head to the house here in a minute after I get this cleaned up. We're gonna do some sort of outdoor work. I'm not sure what that's gonna look like yet. but I'm gonna figure it out. And then, of course, I'm gonna do the cold plunge. I'll probably do some farm work as the outdoor work, to be honest with you. Got a lot of chicken food from yesterday, if you've seen that video. But anyways, that's a wrap for the gym. I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up, put away, and I'm gonna head home. I'll see y'all back at the house. See you back at the house. All right, y'all, I got a plan. I'm back at the house. I'll tell you the plan in a second, but first I want to give you a chick update. They might be going out to the coop soon, but remember all those leftovers from yesterday? I got like 10 pounds of food here. Just gave some to the chicks. They're not eating it yet because they're all scared, but look at how big they're getting. They might be going out to the coop soon. More to follow with that. Come on, girls. All right, so everybody remembers the food we got from the Japanese steakhouse yesterday, like 10 pounds of leftovers. A lot of opinions on whether I should have took that food or not. I will tell you, very few opinions matter to me, except for these ones. All right? If they don't like it, I won't do it again. But if they like it, I'm gonna keep doing it. Hey! You guys hungry? Yeah! See, they heard that bell. That bell worked. All right, here we go. Yep. I think they like it. All right. So anyways, the plan. I'm out here, been out doing a little bit of work here and there. I want to check on the bees, so I'll probably take you along with that. Sun's out. It's February 3rd or something. It feels great. Right, the water's still freezing. I'm probably gonna do a few cold plunges, right? Maybe 1, 2, 3, I don't know. I'm gonna hang out outside, run around, and every time I feel up for it, I'll probably just go jump in that water. I might do one right now. Let me see, what do you think? Hold on. All right, like I said, may try to do multiple cold plunges today. We got nice weather out. It is a little chill. I'm a little chilly, but we'll be okay. I'm gonna do one now, and then we're gonna go check on the bees. Really happy to see the bees are flying in and out of the hive right now, so at least that means they're there and they're doing all right. There we go. Yeah. All right, that felt all right. Let's go check on the bees. All right. Woo-wee. Hopefully that wind sound isn't too bad. Here's my beehive. You can see my bees are fired up. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they've been in this hive for a while now. Cold. Let me see if I can set this. That looks all right. All right. Check on our bees. We'll try to do this without getting stung. Right. Everything's looking great in the hive. So that's good news, really good news. All right, cool. All right, so I've been wanting to put these up for a while. You can see the house, the shop. These are going in the shop. So you stay here, I'm gonna go put them up. That's good. I wonder how long the camera's been falling over. All right, I got an idea. If I do this, probably not gonna film anymore after that. I got a lot of footage already. But I'm gonna take this mat, this big gymnastics mat, and I'm gonna run it up to the shop, just like I did with the other inflatable. I'm gonna run back down. I should be nice and warm by that time. I'm gonna jump off the dock and I'm gonna swim from the dock to here. Maybe. I'm gonna try. Maybe. And if I don't do it, you'll never know. All right, here we go. I go for it. And boy, was this a little scary. As you can see, it took me a while before I made the decision to jump in. Once I was in, I was feeling all right the first few seconds. And I don't know, I think I may go 20 yards and my body just starts locking up. You can see I'm doing a freestyle stroke right here, and I think about right there is where things start to get a little scary. I could no longer do the freestyle stroke because my neck muscles and my I guess my trapezius muscles were just completely locked up. So I managed to kind of breaststroke, side stroke my way. I do a couple more freestyle strokes, I believe, but I managed to get myself to shore. Not the best of ideas. Wouldn't recommend it unless you have people there to help you out. But anyways, I talk about it a little bit once I get out of the water. All right, I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you're a really good swimmer, which I consider myself to be. That was rough. My muscles were locking up. Back of my neck got really tight. Should be funny because if my kids were here, they'd be doing that for fun right now. All right. I'm gonna wrap this videoing up. I got a little more work to do out here. I'll see y'all tomorrow.